David's working on. David's going to be taking this door down to sand it and re-stain. And this one's already been done. So you can see the difference. This one's weathered. It's coming apart. And he's gonna have to sand all that down. So he's gonna take it off, put it out here on the sawhorses to sand off. But this one has already been done. See how pretty that is? You can see the difference. So what do you want me to do is
Well, I gotta get these pins out. And then
okay.
When I
and
get
then you're
the
gonna
door down, you just help me
then
carry it.
I'll catch it.
You catch it.
Oh, so you haven't done this side yet?
No.
Oh, you haven't done the inside yet. So I think David asked me here so that I could catch the door. It's windy today. You ready?
You put some plastic up.
Okay, this is what a face mask is for. This is what you use it for when you're sanding.
Not for going out to Walmart.
Oh,
I need to
that
put
looks easy.
a new sheet on here, one that's a little coarser to take it down faster.
So that's not like sandpaper. It's different.
Well,
Oh, okay, but
it's got a mesh to it so that the dust goes up into it and in the collector.
And then it has Velcro on it,
And Velcro.
and you just stick it on. Wow, cool. I guess I didn't know that. I guess everybody else knows it, except me. Wow, you're moving up with your tools.
Moving on up.
David, stop. How did you determine what level of sandpaper to use?
Well, this is 80 grit, which will strip off that real quick, and then I'll have to come back with 180 or 220 to make it smooth.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It just goes faster with 80. Because I'm getting it right down to the...
I picked up our 4 grandchildren from school, and we got Opa a drink and a snack, and we brought it to him. And this dog belongs to the family who owns this home that David is working on. So the kids got out, had a little fun in the grass, and now David is finished sanding. He's going to wipe it clean, and he said it will only take him about 15 minutes to stain the window. And after he has finished that, then he's going to call me back to help him put the door back up. Now they match.
You know, when we put this up before,